Good day, all. If you are thinking of a strategic framework to understand why a certain requirement is valuable, there is one secret weapon which is called IRACIS. This is to find out why behind every business need. If your requirement do not hit one of these three targets, then you are just wasting time. So the first one is increasing revenue. IR stands for that. How will a certain initiative grow revenue or custom value? Second one is avoid costs, and third one is improve services. So in any of these three things is not helping your requirements to understand the why of your requirement, then I guess your requirement is not aligned. This is useful when you are preparing business cases, strategy, and project artifacts. So the conclusion would be, if someone comes in and asks you, suggesting a solution, ask yourself, does it increase revenue, avoid costs, or improve services? Yeah, that's IRCIS. Master it, and you'll always deliver value. Subscribe for more like this to my channel, Analysis Toolbox on YouTube, and follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you.